Hey everybody, this is Nick. I'm coming to you today with this really fun text masking effect that you can sort of do with photos and a text, just like this. Have a really nice kind of a black and white photo behind the text, and then the text is actually part of the photo but in color. A really, really fun effect, and it's way easier than you think it is. So I'm going to escape out of the slide. Let's go ahead and click over here. We'll escape out. Let's just start from a blank slide because I want to do this from scratch so that you can follow along step by step. Let's go ahead and insert a stock photo. So insert pictures, stock images. I'm going to go ahead and just search for Earth and see what pops up. This is my first photo right there. I'm going to click insert, and that gives me the photo right on top of the slide, a nice full slide photo. You would do it however to the dimension that you want, but I want a nice full slide photo right here. I'm going to click on this photo, and I'm going to push Control D to duplicate this photo, or you could do copy and paste if you wanted to. So Control D, that gives me a copy of that photo. You can see now I have two copies. I'm going to place them right on top of each other so that they are exactly in the same positions on the slide. Now we're going to go ahead and insert a text box. Now this has to be a text box that you manually insert. It cannot come from one of the stock layouts inside the master layouts inside of PowerPoint. So you might see those little text placeholders in a default slide in PowerPoint. Make sure to get rid of that. We want a blank slide and we want to insert a manual text box here. So insert, I'm going to go ahead and insert my text box, and I'm just going to draw that text box right here. Let's go ahead and type planet Earth. We're going to make sure this font is really bold and chunky. Let's go to Aptos. I think we're going to do Aptos Black is really nice, and then just keep on making sure that the text is nice and big. I'm going to maybe just drag that a little bit there. You're going to position it however you want to. I might use my arrangement tools and just put it right in the middle of the slide, and I think that looks really nice. Now you can see that the font is black here. You can go ahead and update the font to white. That might actually look like a kind of a nice effect for you, but here's how we're going to do this. So this first slide here, I'm going to actually move my picture back because I want to change the background picture to black and white. So I'm going to click on that background photo, and I'm going to go to the Picture Format tab, Color, and then I'm going to just any of these sort of recolor options. I'm going to go down with this light gray so that it turns that picture black and white right there. I'm going to place my my masking photo right on top of it so it's in the exact same position. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that that top photo is selected, push Shift, and then select my text right here. And now I'm going to go to the Shape Format tab right here, and under the Merge Shapes drop-down tools right here, we are going to go to the Intersect option. Now that intersects the photo with the text, and now you have this really cool slide effect right here. Let's put this in slideshow mode so you can see it. Now the planet Earth is a little bit, some of the text is a little bit washed out, so you can actually now work with this as you would any other sort of shape or picture. So it looks like it's technically a picture here. You see the Picture Format tab has popped up, but what if you wanted to add a little outline to it? You could. It would add outlines around the text. Or what if you wanted to add a little bit of a drop shadow right there from the Format menu? You could do that, and now we put that in slideshow mode, a really cool text masking effect inside of PowerPoint. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it. You'll get notified every time I post a new video in data design, usually PowerPoint, Excel, or Word. I had a great time making this for you, and I can't wait to see you all next time.